James, this is a miracle. You finished your food first. Out of everybody. This never happens.
James, are you feeling all right?
I think James likes chocolate pudding. Do you like chocolate pudding? What are we making?
I don't know.
It's for breakfast tomorrow.
I don't know. I don't know.
It has chocolate in it.
Yay! I'll do chocolate.
Chocolate chia seed pudding.
This and you can hold it.
Okay.
Okay?
Let me help you. Milk. And you can use almond milk, whatever kind of milk you want. We don't have dairy problems, so we just use regular. What's in Bunny?
I don't know.
What's in there? This is where we keep our chia seeds.
Who's
In the bunny.
these?
Okay, you're gonna scoop out some? Okay, we need this much. And put it in the milk.
Let me put them in there.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
More.
Sure, a little bit more. Should be a level scoop, and it wasn't quite level. Yeah, that's right. That's good. Okay, you can dump those in. In goes the sweetener. And dump it all in.
Mix it.
Yeah. Put in the vanilla.
And you put the mix it now.
Mm-hmm.
What do we need to do with this?
That's a sifter. We're going to put the cocoa in now.
Can you mix it?
After you sift it. Yeah, cocoa has clumps. So you sift it, and you're doing a really excellent job. Stir in the cocoa. It's a secret ingredient. You can put in the secret ingredient, yeah. Gonna let it sit on the counter for 5 minutes. We'll come back and stir it again. Then it goes in the fridge overnight, covered. How is it? Is it good?
Huh?
One bite, tell me what you think.
Okay. I need to. Yum! I think I want another brand.
What do you think, Mariah?
Yum. Yummy. Yummy.
Is it good, Joel?
We'll have this for every dinner.
Breakfast.
No, every dinner.
Every breakfast?